last lesson about power and energy, and it summarizes problems and solutions, problems hindering the development of power and energy in the world, or causes of energy crisis. And after we shall look at solutions. Why do you think we have energy crisis in the world? If you look at the types of power and energy we use in the world, for example, petroleum is not going to last long. It is going to be exhausted. Hydroelectric power has its own limits, and nuclear energy has some political problems. You find countries harassing others for producing nuclear weapons using nuclear energy or uranium, which is a problem. Then there is also overdependence on oil and its products. And I think this brings competition. Other types of energy are not thought about. People overdepend on oil and its products. Economic and political embargoes fixed by the rich countries. Countries put sanctions, embargoes on other producing countries of some power and energy like oil. And these ones interfere. You find some other parts of the world don't get enough supply because of embargoes put on other countries by other super countries like USA. Always interfere. Then we have increase in oil prices imposed by oil producing and exporting countries. And this brings in again fluctuations, etc. Depression of wood fuel due to over-exploitation of forests. Man's activities have almost exhausted wood fuel. Exhaustion and deepening of coal mines. Coal mines all over the world are almost getting exhausted because of overexploitation. Environmental pollution from some types of power and energy like petroleum produces a lot of carbon dioxide, which is emitted in atmosphere and pollutes the environment. How can we solve this? Possible solutions for power and energy in the world. I think we should be encouraged to move towards renewable resources or to avoid exhaustion of some types of power and energy. We should buy energy efficient products. We replace, for example, traditional bulbs with the modern bulbs which save power. There are lamps which save power. They use less watts of electricity and last longer. And in our houses, I think we should be educated how to use electric appliances. Making electric appliances like refrigerators, television, electric cookers more energy efficient. And we always switch off these appliances or gadgets when they are not in use. Government may come in and improve on public transport efficiency so as to reduce the need to use personal vehicles, to reduce the use of petroleum. People should embark on public means and reduce private means. Educating the public about the importance of conservation and sustainable use of energy resources. Thank you.